Hi everyone, this is Ms. Swenson with a quick video tutorial on how to get citations from student resources and context into NoodleTools. When you find an article that you'd like to have, such as this one, go ahead and click on Citation Tools. Instead of copying and pasting it in, notice that you can export it. So you would select NoodleTools. Make sure before you do that you are signed in to the Google link in Student Resources and Context, and it'd probably be helpful to have your NoodleTools assignment up as well. So back to the document whose citation you want to export to NoodleTools, have the document up, click on Citation Tools, click on Export to NoodleTools, and then click Export. It will export it where you want to go, but it's not always super obvious. It's going to say View Import the Source. This is the one I would like. Now, if you're happy with it, you have to scroll down to find the import piece. You want to import, make sure you have the NoodleTools project you want listed, and then click Import References. It will import it right into NoodleTools for you. And then if I go to NoodleTools and I look at my sources for that essay, here's the one that I just imported, recycling. And now you can use that to create note cards, to add your ideas, to add to your growing outline. As always, if you have any questions, please come to the Media Center and we'll be happy to help you.